What's up friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your images to coloring pages. And this is really cool if you want to convert some of your really amazing pictures, or if you have any pictures of animal, or if you have anything in your mind that you want to do to create some amazing coloring pages for your kids. So this is really a game changer, guys, because no longer that you have to just go to the store and just pick up a book for your kid. You can customize it. You can create something of your own. And one of the amazing thing about it is that you can do this right from your home, right? So you can just simply jump online. You can find an image. You can just, basically create a coloring page for it. Print it out on your printer. If you have a printer at home, that makes it even amazing. Make it super fast. And guess what? You give it to your kid and you start to color that. How cool is that? And if you even want to create a GIF, you can generate an entire coloring book for a kid, maybe for your kid or your friend's kid. It doesn't matter. You can really create amazing stuff. Even create a coloring page of your own kid or whatever you want. That's really cool. So head over to coloringbook.ai, and you want to create an account. You can simply sign in with your Gmail account if you have one, and it makes it super simple. Just head over, click on login and register in the upper right, and you'll be able to log in right there. Now once you do, just simply go to the dashboard on the upper right, and here you'll have the section here that says image to coloring pages, convert photos into coloring pages. Keep in mind that you only have limited credits, so if you want to have the amazing functionalities and let's say use this as much as you want, you can just simply upgrade. The plans are not so expensive, so you want to know if you want to get started, I recommend get the starter package so you can test this out. You can create up to 100 coloring pages per month, which I think is more than enough, to be honest. But if you want to do this into a real business, like creating coloring books and coloring pages and so forth, you can upgrade at any point in time. No, let's get started, because this is just the basics, guys, for you to create something for your kid. So once you're here, you can just simply go to the section on the left hand side that says image to coloring pages, and you can just simply upload. So click on upload. I just have a little picture here which I get from online. This is a picture of Spider-Man, and you can imagine that kids, especially boys, like Spider-Man. So you can just simply upload a picture of Spider-Man, and yeah, you can just go ahead and choose how you want. There's some features here. It's really up to you, or you can keep it simple, and you can just simply click generate now. Once you do that, it's going to generate that picture of Spider-Man into a coloring page. And once this is done, you're able to really download that image, and you can print it with a printer if you have the printer at home, right? So it usually takes a couple of seconds, but these are technologies. It can sometimes take a little bit longer, but usually it's within a couple of seconds for it to generate. And it's also depends on the complexity of the image as well. But that's all that you have to do, guys. Just simply go ahead and generate, and you'll be able to create a picture in no time.